Welcome to our video on how to use AI to achieve your life goals. With the power of AI, you can now unlock endless possibilities to reach your dreams faster and more efficiently than ever before. Let's dive in. Imagine having a personal AI assistant right at your fingertips. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can set your goals and let AI guide you towards success. From career ambitions to fitness targets, AI can help you in every aspect of your life. AI analyzes your past behaviors and habits to create a customized action plan that suits your unique needs. No more guessing or trial and error. AI uses advanced algorithms to provide tailored recommendations for achieving your goals. But it doesn't stop there. AI also keeps you motivated along the way. It sends you reminders, tracks your progress, and provides instant feedback to keep you on track. Say goodbye to procrastination and hello to daily achievements. Fitness goals? AI has got you covered. It can create personalized workout plans, track your calories, and even suggest healthy recipes. Achieving that dream body has never been easier. Want to learn a new language? AI can be your language tutor, guiding you with pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar exercises. Say goodbye to language barriers and unlock a new world of opportunities. Planning your finances? AI can analyze your spending habits, suggest budgeting strategies, and even invest your money wisely. No more financial stress, just a step closer to financial freedom. AI can also unleash your creative potential. Whether you're a writer, artist, or musician, AI can provide inspiration, generate ideas, and assist you in your creative endeavors. Your imagination is the only limit. So why wait? Start unlocking the power of AI today and achieve your life goals like never before. Your dreams are just a few AI steps away. Thank you for watching our video on using AI to achieve your life goals. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on how AI can transform your life. Remember, the future is AI, and with AI, you can unlock endless possibilities. Thanks for watching.